Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Wirsh brand iced tea coffee chiller, and it will chill beverages of any kind actually, ready in minutes. It holds 13 ounces and it's a patented design. It's really unique. I've never seen anything like this. In the background you can see there's a Wirsh coffee maker that we're going to use to make some hot tea, and we're going to be putting that tea right into this cooler and cooling it down to make some 13 ounces of chilled iced tea. Now this interior cup is made of food grade materials and stainless steel. Anything that touches the coffee or the water or the tea are BPA free, and there's a 2-year hassle-free replacement warranty from Wirsh. It comes with a nicely written instruction booklet. I'm going to show the individual components so you understand how this works. It should cool things down in 30 seconds to a couple minutes, depending on how hot what is being sent into it. What's nice about this is if you want to chill something but you don't want to add ice cubes and you're in a hurry, or you don't want to refrigerate something hot which takes 2 or 3 hours to cool down, this will chill it down really quickly. And the concept is really simple. It uses ice that's going to be formed inside this canister right here. You freeze that for 5 or 6 hours, and then you're going to be able to pour the hot liquid in there. So let's go over what is included in this product. So let's look at the individual components. This is the unit that's going to do the chilling, and there's going to be ice in the centerpiece here. Your 13 ounces of liquid is going to be here. There's going to be ice on the outside because this goes inside here, and you're going to be putting water there and there. So this channel is left open, and that's where the hot liquid is going to be, and the cold is going to infuse from the center core and the outer core. When you fill this with water, there is maximum marks on there. Let me take a flashlight right here. You can see that line right there. That is the maximum line you're going to fill it to. Inside this container there is the word max. Let's see if I can pick that up with the camera. There's the word max right there, and you want to have the water to that level. We're going to do that now and show you that. And then you'll notice that on this top piece there are gaskets, and those gaskets are important. There's gaskets right here, here, and here. There's 3 circles of gaskets, and that's what's going to allow this to be sealed properly so it doesn't leak when you're drinking the fluid that's in the drink. This cover right here is a sealed cover that locks in place and allows you to have this spill proof. And then when you go to drink, you just go counterclockwise and drink right from it. Notice that it also has large ports on there, which is going to allow the hot coffee or tea to flow through there to get to that chamber right here where it's going to be chilled. So here's the Wirsh coffee maker, tea maker, and I have it set up, and I have about 14 ounces of liquid in the water, and I'm going to be brewing some tea, and I'm going to be setting it right into this unit. So I have it filled with water, and it's right up to the maximum line, and I have that inner tube right there filled to the maximum line. Now we're going to take this and we're going to place this inside here just like that, and the water level is perfect. And then we're going to take the cover and we're going to put it on here, and you want to tighten that but not too tight. Now we're going to put this in the freezer and let it chill for about 6 hours. So here I have it in my freezer, and I'm going to freeze it for 6 hours time. Okay, this is after about 6.5 hours, and solid ice there, solid ice on the outside. The hot tea is going to go inside there. So we're going to put the gasketed cover back on, just like that. And that's going to allow the tea to flow through there. So now I have the tea maker ready Let's turn that on, and we're gonna let the hot tea flow into the chiller. You can see it flowing right into there, and you can even see some mist around there as the hot liquid is going and being condensed by the cooler, or the chiller I should say. Okay, so it finished. Now let's take a look. You can see what it did. It dripped it right in there. Another thing that's nice is you could put this cover on and take this with you and have that ice maintain the temperature. Beautifully chilled, non-diluted iced tea. Tastes delicious. Now I want to show what happened. You can see that there's still ice there, that it dropped down, and there's water and ice there, and there is the chilled tea. So the energy it took from the inner ice and outer ice is what chilled the tea. But there's still energy there so that you can use the cover and take it with you to keep the drink cold. So my wife just pointed out that another great application for this would be to use this tea maker to make a whole batch of tea. It'll be cooled down from the ice, and then you just pour it in here, and that ice will keep this cold for hours. And then you have a nice cold coffee or tea drink using this. So after testing the Wirsh brand, their iced coffee tea maker beverage chiller, what do I think about this product? Very, very cool product. As I demonstrated, it works really nicely. Everything chilled down my tea. It'll chill down your coffee. Anything you want to chill down, and you can take it with you as I demonstrated. Nice product, patented, clever. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section. Please use those links to order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.